Hi, my name is Chris at wowmynewlife.com. Now I'm gonna show you how to install a shower for a bathroom. And now we're gonna use this Moen product. It's a good product of Moen. It's a nice quality shower. So most the most of all is we're gonna read the manual so that we know follow all the materials, prepare all the tools we need here. In this diagram here, we're gonna do this PEX plastic installation because this is the hard part. It's the most expensive part because if you see this, pipe over here, if you're gonna do this, you're gonna hot this one is take hours to do it. It's very hard, take hours to take for a plumber and expensive. So we're gonna just do the simple way and easiest way and the fastest way to save your money, or you can do it by yourself at home or at job. First, this one is come here. We can break this stuff here and remove it. You're gonna remove this part here at the back, the part, and gonna put in some Teflon. You can Teflon it one at a time to save time and energy. And then we need 4 of this kind of fittings. It's 1/2. Maybe we need more. And then make sure we're gonna tight all these fittings. Need is ring for this hose. Okay. Just a little bit, a quarter here. That and so this is for the hot line water, almost in the left side if you facing the shower wall in the front. And now you do the cold water. It's the same thing. Easy to do if you use this kind of lining, because it's very easy. Just buy some crimping tools. And this one here, you don't need to torch this one, and it takes hours to do it, but you just cut this in some parts and just use sharp bite. This is very fast. And at least you can mark here at least 1 inch to come here like that. For sure you're gonna put a mark at least 1 inch. This is for this one here, for the water draining and the front, the shower. You see the post there. It's very easy. See, this one is very simple to do it, not even an hour to do it. But if you call a plumber, they charge you around to install it. It's about 350 to do this. Just this one here. I install one to my customer. I charge 150. Just do this one here, about 30 minutes. But if you learn, you can do that too if you want, or you save money if you do it by yourself. Now we're gonna go to install all these shower parts at the front. Okay, let's check the other side. Now we're gonna install this part. This one I cut this earlier, so I use this pattern here. I use this with a jigsaw. I didn't cut this hole there, so it's nice and tight. Now I'm gonna it's nice and put a silicone for this so that water will not go in this part over here, will not cause the leak. So we're gonna put silicone to seal it. Same thing here. Now I'm gonna put this. This one is big first. One. Okay. Good. Last part. Just type this over here, but we don't have the right Allen wrench. We gotta tie that later. And gonna put the last part, the shower head. Okay. We forgot this guy here. This decorator. Oh, okay. Yeah. And do not type too much. Just good enough type because we're gonna break this stuff. Okay. Now we're gonna try. We're gonna go open the water service line in the back. I'm gonna remove this secured so that nobody can open this. So that's that. Oh, it's working. Now we're gonna check the water line is work. Shower. Wow. Hot water is coming, cold is coming. Wow, new shower. Call that. Wow, my new life. Now we're gonna see at the back again. We're gonna. So this is the one. It's very simple to do it. Just follow the instruction. What material supply we needed, some tools. But this is the very easy. It's very fast. Not even an hour to do it. And we're gonna go back at the back. We're gonna check the water line if there's no leak. If there's leak, we're gonna do it again. Okay. So we're here again. So we're gonna double check if there's any leak over here. There's no leak. To make sure there's guarantee. So see, this one here is leaking a little bit here. Need a little more tight. It's leaking, so we need to close this. Close this first, then we're gonna tight this. Oh, I'm gonna get first. Wait. So it's very important to check, double check your job. If there's no leak, then it's good. Sometimes you need to wait a couple minutes to see there's a leak, especially here. So you need to tight again, or if there's a leak over here, you need to crimp. Use this crimping again. Just do like this, like that, and we're good. Thank you for watching at wowmynewlife.com. Please make a comment, negative or positive. Your negative comment will inspire me to challenge myself, to learn more, to improve more myself. And your positive comment will develop me to inspire and motivate to do more. Thank you for watching at wowmynewlife.com. Please subscribe and share. Ring that bell button. Thank you.